teenage and unwanted pregnancies account for a good number of abandoned children in our society. In addition, incidents of abuse and other factors which leave children as orphans continue to pose a challenge, and although we can only try to stop these from happening, we can, however, reverse the situation positively, ensuring such children have a brighter future. By supporting those who care, we give these children a chance of a bright future, saving them from abuse, exploitation, and societal vices which could lead to their doom. Destiny is 5 years old. She is the surviving twin whose mother also passed during her birth. She was discharged to her father a few days after her birth, but was soon readmitted in the hospital. At the age of 4 months, she was found to have suffered severe sepsis infection. Destiny's father was a commercial motorcyclist, barely making enough daily earnings. It was therefore no surprise when she became seriously sick. He simply lacked the capacity to take care of the infant. Overwhelmed by the pressures of life and hospital demands, Destiny's father walked away from his sick child, never to return. Megacities around the world have many destinies running around, and there are many in the megacity of Lagos. This is Lagos, land of aquatic splendor. Lagos State, with the fastest innovative and developmental pace in Nigeria. Lagos State offers a continuous array of economic opportunities. This is why Lagos is referred to as the economic nerve center for Nigeria and indeed Africa. Blessed with these factors of production, Lagos State could easily become a bundle of chaos without the control at the administrative nerve center located at Alausa in Ikeja. Sitting at the helm of affairs is His Excellency, the Governor of Lagos State, Mr. Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. Under his stewardship, Lagos has experienced groundbreaking administrative strides. Indeed, a new Lagos experience. However, even with the best laid out plans and social amenities in place for the people, there are situations that may be beyond human control. Destiny was subsequently referred to an orphanage by the Lagos State Ministry of Youth and Social Development, where she has spent the most of her 5 years of life. The training programs organized by Swip empowered the caregivers with the knowledge to observe and identify behavioral patterns, which helped professional diagnosis of Destiny requiring special need care. Swip Social Welfare Integrated Programs Initiative is a non-governmental organization actively promoting and facilitating a best practice in social care through training and collaborations with relevant organizations and government agencies.
The Social Welfare Integrated Program Initiative, SWIP, is committed to supporting and partnering with government and private sector to change the welfare landscape in Lagos State.
Our objectives at SWIP is to review issues and current realities in orphanages and prefer steps to address established gaps, partner with governmental agencies to facilitate improvements in existing practices in the administration of orphanages and homes for the vulnerable children, identify sources of funding to support activities, collaboratively adopt a framework for social welfare best practice as an ongoing legacy from the program.
So we've identified some areas that we want to focus on, and these include education, access to education for the children, infrastructural upgrades for the homes, both for the children as well as the elderly. We've also tried to focus on, training.
SWIP believes training is the first step in empowerment. We have delivered training to all the orphanages in Lagos State using the train-the-trainer model, which has been highly effective and has impacted the occupants of the orphanages. We also believe that this is the first step in transitioning our orphans into the wider society, which is our long-term goal. We want to see a Lagos State and indeed a Nigeria someday where fostering becomes the norm.
As in any industry, constant learning brings about adopting new ideas and skills which can only bring about positive changes. At SWIP, organizing trainings for caregivers in Lagos State was born out of the need to fill gaps were identified while visiting orphanages and elderly care homes.
Our SWIP values are integrity, compassion, excellence, empowerment, and service.
SWIP has in the last 24 months collaboratively delivered various training programs in 8 training modules to the 59 orphanages in Lagos State. SWIP also organized and facilitated impact assessment programs to measure the effectiveness of the training programs on the lives of the target, the children in the orphanage homes. With the support and encouragement of the First Lady of Lagos State, Dr. Mrs. Claudiana Ibijoke Sonwo-Olu, SWIP has been able to successfully carry out several activities and interventions.
SWIP has in fact carried out various intervention projects, all of which have been targeted at the safety, the security, and the welfare of children in the orphanages as well as the elderly in the care homes.
To date, we've offered trainings in subjects like caring for children with special needs, dental care, house management, to mention a few. And we have seen these trainings have had lots of effects. A lot of changes we've noticed in the homes, the way they operate and the way they handle the children.
appreciate Swip, the entire Swip team for the training they've given us so far, and the benefit of the program in the homes has taken us a very long way.
From the trainings, we're able to get so much information, new informations that helped us to in the way we discharge our care and nurturing of the children in the home.
Having been part of the Swip team is the best thing that's happened to our orphanage in the past 2 years. Being part of the Swip team has given us beautiful exposure and enlightened us on how to go about the activities of the home.
And again, we acquire knowledge on how to manage sickle cell children.
I remember the first training on home organization. I think from there, we're able to put in place 1 or 2 things in the home, as well as, schedule the way the activities of the home are being run. I also remember trainings on growth and developmental milestones in children, things to watch out for.
We've been trained on how to understand the behavioral pattern of each child and also to manage the uniqueness of each child in the orphanage. We've also been trained on diet, on how to understand the kind of food that's good enough for children in the home, especially those with special needs. Okay, well, we've also been trained on the first aid, how to go about helping a child when going through crisis and any health challenge or the other before we get help from the specialist.
Also, we acquire knowledge on how to monitor and how to observe the developmental milestone of the children in the home.
To the government of Lagos State and beyond, we say, as Swip, we want to be your foot soldiers. We're here to bridge the gap between that which you offer, which is solutions to the needs of the needy. We're here to help you finish the assignments you have started. We're here to ensure that your work is made easy. Thank you so much in advance, Lagos State. Thank you so much, Federal Republic of Nigeria. Swip will always be at your service.
For us at Swip, this is just the beginning. There's a lot more that needs to be done. And that's why we're asking for your support and your partnership to make this vision come to life.
Born to the world with no one to care, left in the dirt to pain and despair. Lend me a hand, teach me to care. With your light in my life, someday I can help. Give me a chance, I ask you, be fair. Help me, protect me, do not exploit me. Save me from this fear this dark represents.
Join Swip to make these lives count. Swip, illuminating lives for a brighter future.